Okay guys, I am super pumped because today is the last leg of our ultimate journey. On the map of Canada here on my shirt, yesterday we did about 325 kilometers, which would have put us from Eagle Plains right into Inuvik, into the Northwest Territories. We actually went back a time zone. It's terribly messing us up because we're flipping all over the place. Today we're going to be driving to the Arctic Ocean, Tuktoyaktuk, our ultimate end journey. And what more to say? We're just gonna get rolling. We're gonna spend the night in Tuk. Pitch a tent next to the ocean, enjoy that experience. We are off. Destination, Inuvik, which is about 50 kilometers or so. My main priority is actually to wash the motorcycle, get some of the mud off the front of it so it can run a little cooler. We're gonna cross the bridge over the river that we just slept by. Over there, where we were. Beautiful sunny day here at the northern Northwest Territories. 14 degrees right now. Inuvik's in about 10 kilometers. And here's something I haven't seen in a long time. We are on pavement, folks. I'm pave chasing again. There is the Inuvik sign. Kind of nice. That's the nicest sign I've seen yet for a town. That's kind of cool. They got a little seaplane up on a pole. Actually, it's not a seaplane, it's just a little regular plane. It's all built on stilts as well. Everything is built up. Must have some sort of festival going on here. Ah, there's the Dome Church. I have heard of that. We're right downtown now, North Mart. Let's pull over here and see what the guys want to do. $9 for some water. $15 for a Delicio pizza. So I just spent entirely more than I thought I ever would in my lifetime for water. Basically, I bought some coffee, a little bit of beef jerky, a couple potatoes, the onions, a couple nuts, $70. An experience. All right, now to find the car wash. There's a snowmobile on top of that roof. Maybe there's enough snow here that they can drive it right on there before the winter's over. Bob's Welding, gas bar, tugs, barges, car wash, blasting, drilling, laundromat, aggregates. Bob does it all. May as well fuel up first. Where would I find the car wash?
Go straight ahead and over your right.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's the car wash. Alright, well, next stop, Tuktoyaktuk, 148 kilometers. Well, we're now in the real tundra. There are very few trees. So we just pulled over for a quick break just to look at this wide, vast tundra. There's these red plants everywhere. Hey, look at those. They're just little leaves, but they're right red. This is what's giving this entire area a reddish orange hue. Also, we got these big mushrooms here. And there's berries here too. Look at those red orange berries, or those red berries. All sorts of stuff out here to see if you take the time to look. All sorts of snowmobiles and four-wheelers. It looks like they just left them there until the snow comes maybe again. Look how still that water is. It's just like glass. You can see the clouds reflecting perfectly. There's a large building there. It looks like it could be a research center or a school or a hospital maybe. There she be. This is the Arctic Ocean. It's sunny. 7 o'clock p.m. in the evening. Sun's still pretty high up. It'll probably get dark around 11. We're gonna do a little drive through, take you guys on a tour. If you ever wanted to see Tuktoyaktuk and you never plan on coming here, here it is. There's a souvenir store. I'm sure we'll hit that at some point. We're going to the very end of this road. And we're not going to stop till we get there. Oceans on both sides. Here and over there. Old log house. The graveyard there. I'm going to assume this is the campsiting area right on the ocean. We will be tenting there. But first, the ever famous Arctic Ocean sign. We made it. Okay, we just got our traditional standard photos. One last thing to do in front of here. You see the back of this sign has all sorts of different stickers. Sweet. Well, we're gonna camp here, so the journey and the fun isn't over yet. So we just had a really nice chat with a local fisherman. They go down to that bay where the Mackenzie River flows into the Arctic Ocean, and they go hunting beluga there, right out here, and they get jumbo whitefish right off that rocky pier. And he was saying that recently there's been a lot of erosion here, and this used to be all land, and he said right out there, in that area where the water is, there used to be houses there. Lots of neat information. Way out there, the land, way out there is where they go hunting caribou. A lot of the locals say that they taste better over there because the caribou on that side are up in the mountains and there's more rocky terrain, whereas here it's all muskeg and it's all vegetation and berries, and they eat that, so they prefer the meat from over there. All right, Mama's kitchen is 500 meters from here, it says. Her grandma's kitchen. Oh, so as we turn here, here we go. See the sign? That is the scene right there, just in of itself. So I'm just here waiting for my muktuk. I was corrected earlier. Mukluks are shoes. Muktuk is beluga. I just got my order right here. It's kind of like a sampler size. There's not a whole lot of it. I was gonna make a stew with it, but instead, I'm gonna sit out here on the beach where they catch it. I was told they catch the beluga's weight over there, and I'm gonna try this out. It's got definitely a very interesting texture. Kind of spongy, rubbery. Probably packed full of calories and fats. It kind of has a fishy taste, but then not quite. It's boiled, so it's not smoked. It's boiled. Would I want to eat a whole plate of it? Like a keeping plate? Probably not. I will need more food, so I'm gonna head back to the camp and cook. And I have just the supplies for it. I'm in my house for the night, and I'll be looking out and seeing Jeremy's tent. But I will also see the Arctic Ocean. And hopefully I can stay warm tonight. I'm gonna make some nice warm soup, and that's gonna warm me up because it's already getting cold. It is.
I changed my oil at
Like almost 10 o'clock. And the sun, this is right off the ocean. And it's like, must be 10 degrees maybe. It's gonna be a chilly night, but man, that is a view of a lifetime.
And I was like, damn, that's crazy.
Well, I think I'm gonna take this coffee and go right down by the water. I'd say this is a peaceful place to enjoy a coffee, would you? So calm. I have one final thing that I need to do. I'm going to acquire a bit of the Arctic Ocean to take home with me. Woo.